Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't make a video of him. What's it called? Of me repairing him, but he works now. He just had cracked gear, which is right here. Oh, that's right there. You see, it's cracked. And I actually had spare gears. And the little bridge, well not bridge, but the little strap that's supposed to make him turn was just came off, but now they work. He works fully too, and what was stuck in his arm was legitimately an eraser. I mean, seriously, this was legitimately stuck in his arm. So, here they are.
I am a super fighter. Now scanning. Radar activated.
He is fast, I mean, look how fast he goes.
Scanning. Enemy alert. Enemy detected. Target locked. Fire. I am a super fighter.
So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.